time. Like we ain't gotta go to third base, better keep it slow pace. We could chill by the fireplace, cuddling. Till you fall asleep in my arms. Your essence and your touch always keeping me warm. Cause it's amazing how I act when I'm around you. I stutter and my words become gibberish. It's crazy how I am when I'm without you. I still flood about the times, remember all the times we sat on the grass, forgetting all our past. You sat on my lap and we just relaxed. So we ain't gotta do this fast. We ain't gotta do this fast, no. If it's super sweet, it's I'm a parachute. Take it slow and cherish it. This relationship is too important to just play with it. This relationship is too perfect to not run. Wait, this relationship is too important to not walk with it. One day at a time, yeah, yeah, yeah. One day at a time. One day at a time, yeah.
She ain't really with me on the lockdown, but she been fucking with me for a little while. Ay, I go stuntin' something on the whole town. Ay, my girl nothing to fuck with on the lockdown. Ay, she been something feisty with it, with the slightly hidden love. Ay, she ain't gonna fight me with it, we a tightly fitted glove. Yeah. Every night we hike, he might be living like we like to get in trouble. Ain't tryna pop your bubble. I just you are my medicine. Tell my psych, Edison. Ain't no better one. Yo, ass heaven, son, yeah. And I saw that shit like hello. No ring on, yeah, no, that's okay though. We just play on, wanna go to the say so, we stay on, yeah. You know how the thing go.
Delicate like tulips are. Tulips kiss carelessly to the soft tender noise of nothing. Our expressions are together till we forming equations. Ain't mathematics, but this love has gotta equal this. Butterflies fluttering, the slight warm tension building every time we cuddling. The way it settles in, calm, pace full of peace of affection from your lips so divine. The anticipation leading to it kills me every time, man.
And every time she with me got me feeling like a rock star. Every time she kissed me it be warming up my whole heart. Cuddles at the movies, it was crazy ever since the start. Didn't think it'd happen, but I'm falling like a shooting star. It's who you are, got me moving through the galaxy. Life is like a fantasy, you take me far. And I can't believe you got me up off my feet. I might get down on my knees, hoping we never part. I guess she got me. She got me. Don't think I'll ever leave. She got me.
Expectations are useless to hope for. Wasted time on you.
Zooming through the sky, you have me floating high up with the clouds. You got me cruising. You could be the one that has me flying. You could be the one that has me hoping. I've been looking for somebody like you, confident and strong, somebody righteous. You could be the one that I've been holding. You could be the one that I've been loving.
Floating in the Milky Way. She flew in this galaxy. So smooth, I'm trying to figure out how. I'm trying to figure out why she's out of this world. Oh, oh, oh. And she's the one who has me on cloud nine. And hell surrounding us, trying to burn away our hearts, breaking every piece. But they will never break us apart. But I won't give up. No matter how far they pull us down, and I'll never stop loving you till I'm in. And you and I must make a pact. We must bring salvation.